Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and activate Lebara SIM card there in Germany. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to go ahead and access your lebara.de on your search bar and simply get into this official website. Here in this homepage of it, what we're going to do, simply going to go to this help section. Here we will be able to access this prepared SIM activation option. Go ahead now, tap on this prepared SIM activation, and now you will find this kind of interface, right, which will simply give you SIM activation via app explain on top. Or you can see, so to activate your SIM card, all you have to do is, first of all, simply go to App Store, Google Play Store, and download a Lebara SIM activation app, which is just right over here. Right, simply gonna go ahead, tap and simply install that particular app. Once you have done so, you're simply gonna be able to have to access your Lebara SIM card, a valid form of identification, because you have to verify yourself. And here you can see you have a step by step. Simply step 1 would be for you the SIM card data, and here in this case you simply have to enter your information just right over here, including your 10-digit SIM card number and PUK number. Once you have done so, you will be able to scan your ID card, which will be there for you to verify yourself, and then you simply be able to verify your identity just likewise. And the last, a fourth step would be check and complete your data, and then you will be done. So all you have to do is come to the website and check on it, or simply install the app, and you can simply follow through the steps. Make sure you have the identification info and the SIM card of yours. Remember the number and the PUK number as well, then you will be done. This is simply the way for you to activate your Lebara SIM card. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.